Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make something super delicious. If you like spicy and full of flavors, this egg tikka masala is going to be your new favorite. So let's see how to do this super delicious egg tikka masala. Heat oil in a pan, add all spices, add 2 chopped onions, saute till golden brown, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, saute till raw smell goes. Now blend and make a puree of coriander, 3 green chilies, 1 tomato and pour into the pan and cook till oil separates. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of jeera powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of pepper powder and little salt and cook for 2 minutes. Now add half cup of yogurt, and sorry I missed the footage guys, so I couldn't show it over here. Now add sliced eggs to the gravy and add pinch of kasuri methi and mix well. And that's it. Our spicy and absolutely delicious egg tikka masala is ready to enjoy. If you like today's recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also do let me know in the comments how this recipe has turned out for you. And also do follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. See you in the next video.